Still in St. James, a market vendor is under scrutiny after a video of her passing urine in a container close to her stall has gone viral. The mayor of Montego Bay told our news centre that the woman has been summoned to a meeting on Monday with the Public Health Department. Another unsanitary practice from a food vendor has surfaced on social media. This time, it's a vendor at the Charles Gordon Market in St. James caught doing the unthinkable, urinating in a container and then pouring the urine into a bottle. The act was captured by persons in a vehicle who became suspicious of what she was doing. Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, said the municipal corporation took action immediately after learning about the incident.
The team was dispatched to the market district. They found the person and they will be meeting with the person tomorrow.
Mr. Vernon said the woman once had a stall inside the market, but now she's operating on the sidewalk. He added that bathroom facilities are inside the market.
The bathroom area is in very good condition. As a matter of fact, some time ago, about a few months ago, the health services visited the area and they were impressed with the condition of our bathrooms. So I'm not sure as to why she decided to do what she did, but I can assure you that we have a facility for vending and we also have appropriate area and conducive area for persons to relieve of themselves. The necessary amenities are in place at the Charles Gordon Market.
He said a decision would be taken on Monday.
The video is there to show what happened. Based on the meeting tomorrow with the health services, we will take the action that is most appropriate pertaining to the situation. And if it is a ban, then a ban will have to be put in place.
Last October, health officials had to shut down stalls at Hero Circle after a crab vendor was found defecating in her area. The woman, Alice Waugh, was fined $250,000 for breaching the Public Health Act.